And I cannot trust you, and I'm forced to let you go. That's what's spreading thin on us too. Hate to see you lose control. Now I must spend all my time thinking of all your lies and cover-ups. You're switching up on everyone who loves you, but that doesn't stop the show. I think you should know that, baby, you're the reason.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to be doing some micro braids using deep bulk human hair. So my client originally purchased 2 packs of this deep bulk hair in the colors 99J and number 1. Each pack came with a total of 3 bundles each, but unfortunately that was not enough to complete her entire head. The bundles were pretty small. So she ordered 2 more packs of hair and came back the following day to get her hair completed. She purchased the hair from Amazon, so I'll leave the link down below if you're interested.
And I cannot trust you, and I'm forced to let you go. That's what's spreading thin on us too. Hate to see you lose control. Now I must spend all my time thinking of all your lies and cover-ups. You're switching up on everyone who loves you, but that doesn't stop the show. I think you should know that, baby.
And I just wanted to say that it's been years since I've done micro braids, so I really thought that I would have been a little bit rusty, but no ma'am, slayed it to the gods. Just kidding.
You always think the only one who needs the attention is you. Don't be so conceited. Hope you learn honesty was the only thing that could keep me from leaving. Baby, you're the reason. You always think the only one who needs the attention is you. Don't be so conceited. Hope you learn honesty was the only thing that could keep me from leaving. I'm left to wonder how I let this go under. I could watch it rain for so long, it ain't hit no thunder. Now we let all our Hollywood dreams end in a blunder. I may never see you again, or they when the summer ends, but it always would. And you'd always be disappointed, cause you're insecure. Chasing things you thought you wanted, like you thought you could. Just keep.
So here she's checking the size of the braid, but she stated that it was a bit too small. So I added more of the braid in here to the second braid and she agreed. So we continued with that size. We're also going to be doing half and half at the back of her head. So half of the back we're using the color 99J and the other half we're using black. Then we're going to use black for the entire front of her head.
We're frontin', and if Hollywood is home, now it's just a house that is haunted, where I spend all my time thinking of all your lies and cover-ups. You're switching up on everyone who loves you, but that doesn't stop my show. And I think you should know that, baby, you're the reason. You always think the only one who needs the attention is you. Don't be so conceited. Hope you learn honesty was the only thing that could keep me from leaving.
This is what the first 2 rows at the back looks like using the 99J color. So now I'm just separating the hair, placing a few small strands or pieces on my legs. I tried placing them on the hair braiding rack, but they're so small and short that they kept sliding off. So I'm sitting while braiding, so it made more sense just to use my legs. This is the size of the small piece of braiding hair I'll be using to start the braid. These are not knotless micro braids, they're regular micro braids, and I started them off the traditional way by creating a knot at the root or at the beginning of the braid. I added small pieces of the braiding hair whenever the hair appeared to be too short or too small at the ends. And I seal the ends by using a tiny piece of braiding hair to create a few knots, then splitting the same piece into two smaller pieces and make a knot again. Human hair is very soft and smooth, and I did not want the ends of the braids to unravel. Then I clip or trim the braid, only clipping the hair that's sticking out due to feeding in extra pieces. Now I'm going to get started on the right side of the back of her head, and I'll be using the black hair. I'm braiding the edges first, and then I'll start on the inner section. I do not usually use glue for sealing the ends of my braids, but if that's what you use, then be sure to braid a few inches after your client's hair before sealing the braid off with the glue.
People need the poison. 3 a.m. You just touched my hand and made me lose my focus. I almost didn't notice. And I better know what to do. Who's gonna be the first one to move. I wanna get closer to you. And I really know what to do. Who's gonna be the first one to move? I wanna get closer to you. I was chasing highs, till I found you. We're doing it in slow motion. We're doing it in slow motion. I was chasing highs, till I found you. You are getting closer in slow motion. I'm chasing highs. I'm chasing highs. I'm chasing highs. I'm chasing. I was chasing highs till I found you. We're doing it in slow motion. We're doing it in slow motion. I was chasing highs till I found you. You are getting closer in slow motion. I'm chasing highs. I'm chasing highs. I'm chasing highs. I'm chasing. I was chasing highs till I found you. We're doing it in slow motion. We're doing it in slow motion. I was chasing highs till I found you. You are getting closer in slow motion. I'm chasing highs. I'm chasing highs. I'm chasing highs. I'm chasing. I'm chasing. I stop counting the hours. Space between us getting smaller and smaller. I'm losing my power. I'm falling higher with you. I was chasing high.
So I believe the hair was about 18 inches long. I would recommend purchasing a longer length because when I folded or crisscrossed the two pieces, there was almost nothing left. So I had to feed in quite a few pieces to the braid to get the desired length. So finally everything is complete, and now I'm going to go in with some Motions foam styling lotion, just something light, and some oil sheen, and this is the final look. Her hair turned out beautiful as always, and as you can see, she loved her braids. This is my girl Chrissy. She does nails, and her Instagram is Chrissy Glam Nails. I'll put it right here on the screen so you can follow her. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it to the end of the video, I really appreciate that. See you in my next video. Bye.